Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is what is the value of x for x is to power x is equal to 4 is to power 1024. It means that we should solve this question for the x and we should find the correct option among them. In order to solve this question, in the first step we should break this power 1024 into 2 is to power 4 is to power 2 into 512, and as a result we should get 4 is to power 1024, or this 4 is to power 1024 will convert into 4 square into 512, and the left side of the equation will remain same, which is x is to power x. Now in the next step this 4 square will convert into 16, and this value will become as 16 is to power 512. The other side of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should break this 512 power into 16 is to power 2 into 256, and this left side of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should convert this 16 square into 256, and this 256 in power will remain same. Left side of the equation will remain same, and from the basic rule of algebra this we should get x is equal to 256. Here we apply the base and the power having the same value on the left side of the equation, and on the right side of the equation base and the power having the same value. And when we apply the basic rule of algebra on this expression we should get x is equal to 256, and this is the answer for our required equation, which is x is equal to 256, which is the option is C. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.